Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make or build a reorderable list view. We can place the list item anywhere in the list view, like this. Here I have generated 10 list items from 0 to 9. Otherwise you can build a list of names. Home, let me give a scaffold, app bar, text, title, text. Let me give this name here. Okay. A body. Let me create a new file. Body dot. Okay. Import material, Flutter material. So now let me create a stateful widget named body. Okay. Container. For now, let me give this as container. Okay. Let us import this body. Yes, this one. Now let me run this app. Flutter run. Okay. Okay. Reorderable list view. Okay, now we are going to return a gray or okay. Let us import the children widget. Let us create a list here. Final list int. Let us name this as a item count, that is equals to list int dot. Let us generate this list. Okay, dot generate. Let us generate a count of 50 or 51, so that we get a whole of 50 numbers from 0 to 50. Think it. This int index. It's not okay. We have generated the list items. Let's decide from where it should start. For int index is equals to 0, index is less than item okay. Item count dot length. Okay. Index, let us do. Okay, now let us build a card which has a margin at all the direction of 10. Margin h insists dot all. Let's give this 10. Okay. Child Okay, it should be in center child. Let us give a text. Let us give this item count, string interpolation, item count. Okay, then we need to insert one reorder. Let us set a state. If the old index is more than new index equals to 1. Okay, what would I get if I run this here? There are some errors. Okay, what should we do? All children of this widget must have a key. Okay, we need to add a key here. Let us add a key here. Okay, key. Why you don't get this index? Okay, what would I get if I run this now? Multiple widgets used in the same global key. Final int item is equals to count dot remove at old index. Okay, item count dot start of item count dot insert new index and item. Yes, we get what we want, but this is not the one. 0 to 51. What is this? Somewhere we made the mistake, right? Yes, we get item count and we are able to change this, but this is not what we want, right? Okay, next where we done this mistake. Okay, here is the issue. We printed the text. Item count index. Okay, if we run this, you would get the correct. Yeah, we get what we expected. Okay, item from 0 to 50. Let's increase the height of this, wrapping this child with the sized box. Height of 50. Okay, let us give this card a color. Colors dot red. Okay, yes, if we change this, okay, the item 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0, 1. As we change the order, 6 to 6 at the top. Okay, we have made it. We have made the reorderable list view. Okay, that's all for today, and let us meet in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.